In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Corporation Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you don't already know, then the Corporation Bank is now a member of the Union Bank of India. So everything related to Corporation Bank will have to be done through Union Bank of India. So open up your web browser first, and then in the address bar simply type in unionbankofindia.co.in and press enter. You will now be taken into the homepage of Union Bank of India. Now, in order to sign up and create a new account, simply hover over to the online banking section and then select Union Bank Net Banking. Now click on Retail User Login and you will then be taken into the login page. Now, in order to create your new account, simply click on New User Register here. You will now be taken into the registration page. Now simply select whether you have a debit card or whether you don't, and then click on the Continue button. You will now be asked to enter your credentials, including your account number, your date of birth, or your PAN number. So just go ahead and type in your account number, followed by either your date of birth or your PAN number. Now you will be asked to answer a small question to verify your identity. Simply type in the correct answer, and then you will be able to click on the Continue button. Now, after you click on the Continue button, you will be asked to enter your phone number and your email address. You can then register your phone number and then set up your username as well as your password. After doing so, you will be able to log into your Corporation Bank account by using the login section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Corporation Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.